कोणाक विचारपा जाय? It's a small election for us anymore. We take every election seriously because in 2027 we want to have our own government, Aam Aadmi government. So tekla anybody would like to interact, have something to say? First of all, I thank you, sir, for coming to Veli and motivate budget. 2015 आम्ही या वाठारांत वेळ्ळी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन सुरवात आणि सगळ्या लोकांक सांगूंक वताले दिल्ली मॉडेल आम आदमीचो दिल्ली मॉडेल म्हणून. सो 2017 आमकां कोणे लोकांनी एक्सेप्ट करना पूण 3,500 लोकांनी वेळ्ळी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन आमकां वॉक मारले आनी आमकां एक्सेप्ट केलें तेन्ना 3,500 लोकांनी आनी ताचेर आमी निराशे जावन आपूण आमकां काम करीत रावले. आम आदमीचे आमचे व्हॉलेंटियर्स घरांनी भोंवन पांय जोरयले आनी ताचो फोड आमकां 2022 मेळ्ळो आनी 2022 मेळटरीच आमचो MLA क्रूज सिल्वा जिखून येतरीच ताका एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसली उडीमान BJP वचपाक डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक ऑफर येयलो ताका आनी जिखील त्याच साकू हांवें सांगलोलें कितें ऑफर येयली ती हांवें सांगलोली तुमकां पूण आमच्या दोगूय MLA वेन्सी विएगस आणि क्रूज सिल्वा गट दामून फाटीबारा रावले जायते तांकां त्रास जाले डेव्हलपमेंटान वर्क करपाक पूण तांणी दोगांयनी दाखोवन दिलें ऑपोजिशनार रावन काम करपाक जात म्हूण. हांव आतां पयलोच हेल्थ मॉडेला उलयतालो दोगूय आमदारांनी जे सरकारान करपाक जाय आसलें गांवांनी दोतोर पावोवपाक जाय आशिल्लो ते सरकारान केलें ना आनी हे आमच्या दोगूय आमदारांनी कोण दाखयला हेल्थ मॉडेल म्हणटो कितकोन आनी कितको चलोवपाक जाता तो. सो आनी जायते दुसरे म्हळ्यार तुका खबर आसतली चिंचोण्या कितलीशीं शेतां पाड जाले कितलीशीं वर्सां उमदादीक मुखार घालून क्रूज सिल्वान MLA ही शेतां मेकॅनिकली लावन गेली आनी तेचे उत्पन्न लास्ट 3 वर्सां जाली उत्पन्न करता आमी 5 पीक काडले. तर हे भाशेन जायते तेणे काम केल्लो आहा. हांव मागता बाब क्रूज सिल्वा लागीं.
Today the roads of Goa are in very bad shape. I've been since last night. I've been traveling in Goa on various roads. Roads are in very easy. Am I wrong or right? Are the roads good or bad? Bad. Roads are in very bad shape. Right now, while I'm speaking to you, 43,000 kilometers of Punjab roads are being constructed, world-class roads. 43,000 kilometers. I don't know how much is the total number of kilometers of roads in Goa. It must be much more. 43,000 kilometers of roads are being constructed in Punjab. You will be surprised to know that 93% people of Punjab, 93% people get their electricity bill zero every month. They get 24-hour electricity. Before our government came in Punjab, there used to be several power cuts. Now they get 24-hour electricity and they get zero electricity bill. I was told that electricity rates have been increased in Goa just last month only. And now the electricity has become very expensive in Goa. They get zero electricity. Where do we get this money from? Because all the BJP governments all across the country, even the central government, they keep crying that they don't have money, the governments are running in losses. Punjab also, before us, Congress government was there, BJP Akali Dal government was there, they used to keep saying that the government coffers are empty and there is no money with the government. But since the time our government has come, we have run the government in an honest manner. We are saving the government money and we are providing services to the people. So likewise, I think it's important that we start this change now in Goa with these ZP elections, and I would recommend that Isaka and Joseph, who are our candidates from here, please support them, vote for them in large numbers, and the change that you started in 2022, this change should continue. I am told that there are a lot of fishermen sitting here. You have a lot of issues. I can assure you that there's only one party which can solve your issues in an honest manner. We'll sit with you. All your issues will be taken up by Aam Aadmi Party. There is also a demand, very strong demand, that regional zonal plans should be made. Why are they not being made? I am told that they are not being made. These plans expired in 2021, and after that they are not being made because on an ad hoc basis they keep on giving land conversion certificates. They take money in each of these conversions, and for the reason of corruption that regional plans are not being made. Aam Aadmi Party will fight for that. We will fight for your rights, and together we will make a better Goa. Thank you so much. Cruz Silva and Venzi. These two represent Aam Aadmi Party in Goa. If you are an MLA and if it is 3 years or 3.5 years, I think you will have a fleet of cars, you will have several land holdings, you would have grabbed several. Am I correct or not? They don't have anything. All that they have earned is love and respect of the people like you, and that is our biggest earning that we have. We don't have anything else. So Aam Aadmi, you made a change. You made a beginning of this thing in the year 2022. That last time you gave 2 MLAs from Aam Aadmi Party. In 2027, Aam Aadmi Party should form government in Goa so that we get a fresh party and honest politics in Goa. And these ZP elections should be the beginning of the change that Goa has to see. I'll give you some of the examples that we are doing some good work that is being done right now in Punjab. Punjab, we have Aam Aadmi Party government. In Goa, is it possible to get any government job without paying a bribe or without making a sifarish from some MLA or some politician? Is it possible to get any government job? No. It is not possible. In Punjab, we have given government jobs to 55,000 people in the last 3 years. Goa and Punjab elections take place together, same time, Goa and Punjab. So in the last 3 years, we have our government in Punjab. We have given, the Chief Minister of Punjab has personally handed over the letters of appointment to 55,000 people. And not a single person has given a complaint that he was asked for a bribe or he had to seek a sifarish letter or a recommendation letter from local MLA or a politician. Coming at such a short notice. Aam Aadmi Party is not a party. We are like you people only. The name of Aam Aadmi Party, as it suggests, it's a party of common people. It was born out of an anti-corruption movement, Anna Hazare movement against corruption. And since then, it's historical that within a year of our forming the party, we came to power in Delhi. And repeatedly 3 times we were elected in Delhi because of the work that we have done. The only unfortunate part with Aam Aadmi Party is that we don't do politics. We don't know how to do politics. We are here only for service. Our work in education and health that we did in Delhi and now we are doing in Punjab is being celebrated all across, not just in the country but across the world. Now, if I were to say that Aam Aadmi Party is a dead honest party, Aam Aadmi Party is completely against corruption. Many of you will say, everyone praises his own party, you are also praising your also. The proof of the pudding lies in its eating. So my question to you all is, here all of you are from Delhi constituency, your MLA is Cruz Silva, MLA is from Aam Aadmi Party. I want to ask all of you, has Cruz asked for any bribe or any of his staff asked for a bribe from any one of you ever? No. Has, some of you might be contractors or businessmen also. Has Cruz Silva asked for a bribe from any contractor or in any tender from any one of you? Never. No. BJP people, Congress people, they are famous for threatening people, extortion, corruption, Gunda Raj. I have personally come to know several incidents where they go to ordinary people and they threaten them, if you don't do this, we will do this to your family. Is it not right? Yes. Aren't the people threatened? We did a BJP Sheburak campaign against the potholes, against the bad roads all across Goa. Many people, when we went door to door. Our volunteers went door to door. They asked the people, are you happy with the roads of Goa? They said no. Then we asked them, will you sign a signature campaign we are doing against the roads of Goa? People said, though the roads are very bad, though we want to sign this, but we are afraid of signing it because our local MLA will threaten us. I want to ask, has Cruz Silva ever threatened any one of you? No. This is Aam Aadmi Party.
I must say thank you, even though a little belatedly, to the people of Velli constituency, because the people of Velli constituency showed their faith, gave their support, gave their love, affection and their vote to Engineer Cruz Silva and Aam Aadmi Party and elected him in the 2022 election. And let me tell you that everyone in the country knows the names of Velli and Benauli because these are the two constituencies that showed their faith in Aam Aadmi Party and started the beginning of change in Goa. So all of you who voted for our engineer over here took Velli's name not just engineer to the assembly, but took Velli's name across the country as the people who voted for change. The people who voted for an honest politician, of the people of Velli who did not go behind all these politicians who give money, who give threats, but voted for honesty and voted for work. So many, many thanks on behalf of Aam Aadmi Party to all of you. I still remember in 2022, when Engineer Cruz Silva and Captain Venzi Vegas were elected. You know, all these journalists, political pundits, they always used to tell us that it's only a matter of time. In Goa, all MLAs leave their party and join the BJP. And they said, okay, you have only 2 MLAs. So it's only a matter of a few months. We are 100% sure that they are going to join the BJP. And I remember saying to them in 2022 also, that I am sure of the fact that 5 years later, both Cruz and Venzi will be in Aam Aadmi Party and they have both proven me right. See, what makes Aam Aadmi Party different? Cruz Bob was also just talking about how we are not family politicians. Otherwise, if you were to see all around in Goa, you have some families that are ruling. It does not matter which party is in power. It is these same politicians. There will be a minister, his wife will become an MLA, then his son will become an MLA. This is what happens in Goa. Am I correct? Yes. It is only Aam Aadmi Party that gave tickets to ordinary people. Cruz Silva is an engineer, Captain Venzi Vegas, who was a seafarer like many of you who are sitting here today. This is what makes us different. And it is because both Venzi and Cruz were coming from ordinary families. They knew what your problems were. Other MLAs and other politicians are just busy with illegal conversions of land and land grabbing and mega projects, are they not? And they are busy making money on that. They buy one land, they get it illegally converted, then they are building hotels there, they are building resorts there. This is what politicians all across Goa are doing. Having clinics like this in their MLA offices. Clinics where consultant doc checkup is free, where medicines are free, where tests are free. No other MLAs are doing it. BJP is in power, they are not doing it, but the two Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are doing it because they understand this is what ordinary people need. Cruz Bob has organized many free cataract surgeries. Sir, Abhi, we can't see it here, otherwise in the compound he also has an ambulance park. And a free ambulance has been made available by Cruz Bob for all the people of Velli constituency, especially because GMC is far. And if anyone is sick, this service is provided free of cost by Cruz Bob. Not just this, there is a big fishing community here in Velli. He has worked with the fishing community for having proper net mending sheds, for having fiber boats. He's brought together so many farmers to do community farming on what used to be barren tracts of land. Who does this? people who understand the pain of the common man, who understand the pain of ordinary people. And if you were to see our ZP candidates also, they are just like all of you. They are not coming from any big families. None of their fathers is an MLA. None of their grandfathers was a minister. Unlike many other ZP members whom you see, just in the neighboring seat of Naveli, ex-ZP member's niece has been given ticket, correct? It is only Aam Aadmi Party that gives an opportunity to the common man, to the ordinary people, because only common man understands the problems of the ordinary people of their area. And just as the people of Delhi have always supported us, we look forward for your support for our candidate from Delhi, Izaka Fernandez, for our candidate from Kurtori, Joseph Cardoso, and some parts of Delhi are also in the Naveli constituency for our candidate Beatrice D'Souza. And just as in the neighboring constituency, when the MLA and ZP were from the same party, Captain Venzi Regis and Joseph Pimenta, they could work together to do work for the people of Benoni. Fighting or the other will happen. ZP will say MLA has not done work, he will try to stop the work of the MLA, and unnecessary conflict is likely to happen. So if you want even more development works in your area, elect the Aam Aadmi Party ZP so that they can work together with Engineer Cruz Silva to improve your lives even further. Once again, thank you all of you for coming here.
Pride and joy to welcome our national convener, Shri Arvind Kamjepalli, in Vailing constituency. This is not the first time, but second time. Your presence is not just an honor. It shows the commitment of Aam Aadmi Party towards listening to the people of Vailing constituency and working together with various communities. The Mogal Bahan Goinalo, as Arvind Kejriwal, दोन पार्टी, दुसरे पार्टी वेगळी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी घेवा पार्टी एक वर्स आदी आयिल्लो तो जेन्ना आमी इलेक्शन जिखले 2022 चडशे MLA आपल्याक जाय ती कामां करतात ते काम करतात करप्शन करतात कितें करतात ते कोणाक खबर आसना पार्टी पूण आमची पार्टी नॅशनल लिडर्स सदांच जे दिसाक आमी जिखले त्या दिसाच्यान आमचे थोडे दोन हाडले दोनूय MLAचे आमचो वेळ्ळे आनी बेनावली ते कितें काम करता लोकांक मेळटाय काय मेळनाय लोकांचे रिएक्शन कितें आनी तें फायंड आवट करपाक स्पेशली थंय दोनी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी येयलो रिपोर्ट कार्ड घेवपाक आनी फक्त ताणें चोयलो बेनावली काम जाता वेळ्ळ्यान काम जाता तें सो आयज फर्स्ट टायम तो ह्या ऑफिसान येयलो सो आय थँक अरविंद केजरीवाल जी फॉर विजिटींग दीस ऑफिस आतां जर्सनान सांगलां आमी 2017 एंट्री मारली 2016 आमी आम आदमी दोगांय बराबर जॉयन जाले आनी तेन्ना आमी कॅम्पेन करताले पयलेच पावली आम आदमी पार्टी म्हळ्यार कोण वचनासले कितें हरशीं आमी डोर टू डोर करता आसतना व्हडलो लोक इंट्रस्ट घेनासलो आमचे पासून आख्खी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी एक रावंड केलो दुसरे पावटी आमी हायकोर्ट विजीट मारले सेकंड रावंडाक तेन्ना मातशे लोक उलोवपाक लागलो आम आदमीचे आनी मातशें रेस्पेक्ट दिवपाक लागलो आम आदमी धर्माक आनी तिसरे फावटी जेन्ना आमी गेले तेन्ना सामके तुमी च्या पासून दिवपाक लागले आनी पत्त्यान येयना काय तुमकांच वोट मारता म्हणपाक लागले आनी हे खुशालकायेन आमी इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट केलें आनी तेन्ना आमकां 3,500 कितें वोट पडली लोकांनी दिली वोट पिड्यार जाल्ले आमी पूण आमी काम बंद करूंक ना ताचे फाटल्यान हें इलेक्शन जालें म्हणटकीर कोविडाक हें दुयेंस येयलें आनी तेन्ना आमी परत लोकां बरें गेले परत लोकां बरें आमचे रेशन घेवन कोण आमकां मेडिकल फॅसिलिटीज कितें जाय हॉस्पिटलां वचपाक जाय तें जेवण व्हरपाक जाय तें पोते आमी गेले जे ज्या घरांनी गेल्ले तेमी फुडें वोट मारूं आसा ते डायरेक्ट सांगले लास्ट टायम आमी तुका वोट मारूं ना पूण हेजे मुखार तुका वोट मारतले सो तेन्ना 2022 तेय लोकांनी वोट मारलो आनी आमी जिखून दिले सावदाराचे आनी जिगारपालीचे पूण टेंडर जाल्लो 5.2000 पूण तो आतां काम कॉमेस करपाक मेळना म्हण आमकां दवरलो ऑर्डरार हे भायर दुसरीय कामां जायतीं MLA फंडाची घेयलो हांवें तीय कामां जातलीं सो आनीक एक वरां सुरल्या ही कितें पेंडींग आहा लायटीचे आमचे प्रॉब्लम आहा मेजर हिंगा सो लायटीचे पासून आमी इंजिनियराक पासून चेंज केल्ले सॉल्व करपाक आनी आतां कितें अंडरग्रावंड पासून घ्यायलो आहे कांय फांडा लागून ते उरताय जे वस्तू जाय फूल स्टार्ट जावपाक आतां सगळें एकूय प्रकार एकठांय जाल्ले सो स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाल्लें सो सायड बाय सायड जाल्लें तेजे भाशेन आमचे स्पोर्ट्स युनिटांकूय जायते आमची काम चलता ग्रावंडी चलता आमचे वेल्डी ग्रावंडाचेर जायते थिंगा पेंडींग कामां गव्हर्मेंट कोणा MLA फंडांतल्यान एटलीस्ट वॉकिंग ट्रॅक स्टार्ट केला तितून आमी एक फुटसालाचो ऑलमोस्ट जाल्ले आहात फुटसाल ग्रावंडाचेर ते भाशेन आमचे MLA फंडाचे आतां जायते एक्सिडेंटूय जाताय आमी प्रपोजल केला एक जंक्शनाचेर ट्रॅफीक लायट्स येता त्योय घालपाक ते सिग्नलाच्यो सोलराच्यो येता त्यो फास्ट स्पीड ब्रेकराचे आहा आनी ती जायती कामां आहा सो तुमचो सपोर्ट जाय आनी जायत काम कोतो जाल्यार तुमच्या जिल्लाचेरय काम जाताय जाता ते सिस्टमॅटीक करपाक फांड लिमिटेड आहा तेंका दोनी MLA आनी जिल्ला दोगोय एकठांय जावन केले जाल्यार बरे भाशेन सिस्टमॅटीक काम करता सो हांव म्हाका मुखार आमचे एक वरां सुरले आहा जिल्लाक आमचे जाकाक जोजफाक तेजे भाशेन आमचे बेत्रीज आहा नावेल्याक आनी हेर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीकूय आहा ताका सगळ्यांक वोट मागचो आनी आमचे जिल्ला जिखोवचे आमचो चॅरमॅन जावपाक जाय दोनी नॉर्थ आनी सावथ हे दोनी आमचे नॉर्थ आनी सावथ जाल्यार तुमी समजात 2027 आम आदमी गव्हर्मेंट जावन थँक्यू
सो हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा आमगे MLA क्रूज सिल्वा तेचे मोगाचे भाव भयणानो म्हाका दिसता तुमी म्हाका सपोर्ट दिवन हे इलेक्शनाक निवडून हाडटली म्हूण कित्याक तुमचो क्रावड हांवें चोयला तेचे भाशेन तुमी सगळ्यांनी म्हाका तेंको दिला हे मिटिंगेक येवन अचीव जावपाक सो हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तशेंच आमचे पंच मेंबरांक म्हणजे वांगडा काम करतालीं तेंकाय ऑल्सो आंबेली सरपंचाक आनीक ऑल्सो चिंचिनी न्हू साजोरा तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमी म्हाका येवन म्हणजे एक मिटींगेक अचीव जाली म्हणून सो थँक्यू वेरी मच